Alright guys, Bill from BillsBoxBreaks.com. We're doing mixture number 205, a delicious 10-box Friday Night Frenzy. Want to wish you guys good luck. We'll get Icky out here to do his good luck shuffle. Icky?
Oh, ladies, that's me! Woo! Gonna get some cold cuts today.
That's right, Icky. Appreciate that. Let's go and get our break on. Want to wish you guys good luck. What are we going to start with this evening? What are we going to start with this evening? Let's start with a box, the 2012 Prominence. We'll start with that. Let me pull some more. No, I'll pull them later. Chucky Fields, a little Nick Foles. Did a nice Nick Foles out of black last time. Sick patch, actually. Oh. Black's feeling heavy. Whoa. We're all falling down. Get Bach out there. Good old cold cuts. Alright, first we got Blaine Gabbert. These are out of 897, fellas. Unless I say otherwise here. James Laurinaitis. Aaron Rodgers. Frank Gifford. Doug Flutie. And this next guy, he's got a lot of potential. We'll see what happens in the future, but right now, Doug Martin for the Bucks. Patch auto. And that's out of 90. 24 out of 90 for the Buccaneers. Doug Martin. I got a lot of Doug Martins. I hope he comes back strong. Second hit. Going to the Bucks again, we have Lavonte David. Rookie auto. That's out of 199 for the Bucks. Bucks striking twice. And the third hit, Isaiah P. Jumbo Rookie Projection Jersey. And that's out of 299, number 30 for the Rammies. Let's change up pace and let's go some 2011 stuff. Let's try some 2011 Crownage. First pack, we got Eli Manning, followed by Rashard Mendenhall for the Steelers in the zone relic. And that is out of 99 for the Steelers. The rest of the pack, we have Willie Brown, Nate Solder, Mike Thomas, and Bo Scaife. Second pack. Bruce Carter. Should be out of like 50 or 100. I'll check the numbering. Second hit, Tyrod Taylor. It's out of 25 for the Cowboys, actually. Tyrod Taylor for the Ravens. Rookie auto out of 50. The Ravens. Ravens snagging a hit. Bruce Carter. Slide a 25. We'll throw that in some plastic. All right, rest of the pack, we have Matt Schaub, Marcel Darius, Derek Sherrod, and Devin Hester, all pros. All right, third pack. Brandon Lloyd. Next one's going to be a patch auto. It's going to be a patch auto of Von Miller. Nice hit for the Broncos. 3-color prime patch auto for the Broncos. Very nice looking card. And that's going to be out of, it's a short print out of 50. Out of 50. It's going to be number 41 out of 50 for the Broncos. I can dig that. Nice hit. Nice hit. Good looking card. Rest of the pack, we got Danny Woodhead, Cameron Hayward, Brandon Lloyd, Emmitt Smith Royalty, and Asamuga. Fourth pack. Julio Jones, Crown Jewel. And then going this way, Will Smith. Getting funky with it. Calling all captains out of 200 for the Saints. Followed by Will Smith right behind it. Will Smith, Ahmad Black, Larry Fitzgerald, and Vernon Davis. Nice. Welcome back, Chucky. All right, let's try some 2014 playbook. We'll speed up for 2014. We'll leave the black and gold for the end. Yeah, we do the patches would be fun. We don't plates and patches. Do patches next. I'll get my son to auto it. I'll get all 3 kids to auto it. We'll do a triple auto with Crayola. Alright, let's take a look and see what we get out of playbook. First in our playbook for the Seahawks, Paul Richardson. Jersey auto. Nice book. He's got a cool auto. And that's out of $2.99 for the Seahawks. Cool. And the second hit, pretty damn nice. For the Panthers, Calvin Benjamin. Looks like a logo patch. What would that K be out of? His name? Well, not on Panthers, but nice hit out of that out of 25. Nice little hit for the Panthers there. That's 12 out of 25. Went away from his jersey number. eBay 101. Can I get an eBay 101? eBay 101. Yeah. That deserves a sip of Ruski. I think Chef Sam. All right, let's do some 2010 plates and patches. One of my favorite. The Panthers have been just hot lately. Pulling that mega black and gold stuff. Some Sterling stuff. leave the box topper for last. Let's see what we can get out of this one. All right, first one we got Michael Turner, and that's out of $4.99. David Nelson out of 100. Marty Gilliard out of $2.49 for the Rams. First hit going to the Seahawks. This says Seahawks on the card. Zach Robinson auto. And that is out of $5.49 for the Hawks. Yeah, with a 101 on the last plates and patches. Next one, Shea Hodge for the Redskins. And that is out of $4.99 for the Skins. Third hit. One of the Steelers. Nice prime patch. Ben Roethlisberger. Free color prime patch. And that is 11 out of 25. Short print for the Steelers. Next hit going to the Bears, Johnny Knox relic. And that's at a $2.99 for the Bears. MGD out of $4.99. And the box topper, let's see where this is going. Box topper is going to... Ooh. It's going to be going this way. For the Bengals, Jordan Ripley. Jumbo Jersey Auto. And that is out of 50. Or I'm sorry, out of 10 that is. Well, that's number 9 out of 10. Nice short print for the Bengals. There you go. Not a bad box topper. Let's see what we can do next. Let's try another box of Prominence. We're going to redeem ourselves. Let's little Prominence. All right, first two, we got Andre Johnson. These are out of $8.97. Hayward Bay. Wes Welker. Richard Dent. Randall Cunningham. Next hit is going to the Bills. TJ Graham. Helmet auto. And that is out of $2.40 for the Bills. Second hit, Ryan Broyles. Beautiful patch. 4-color prime patch rookie projection for the Lions. Gorgeous card. And that is out of 49. Beautiful card out of 49. Gorgeous patch. Nice hit for the Lions. Third hit going to the Chiefs. Dontario Poe. A rookie auto. And that is out of a 169. Very odd numbering. 169 for the Chiefies. Tuno Baluna. All right, let's try the 2011 limited. This stuff has been pretty nice. (2011) limited, lots of good stuff in here. A nice Cam Newton out of 25 last night. A nice DeMarco out of 25 about a week ago. Just like this stuff. It's good stuff. All right, first one we got out of 4.99, Chad Henne. Ryan Torain out of 4.99. Franco Harris, 4.99. Jordan Cameron, 4.99. Deshaun Jackson, Limitless, 2.49. First hit going to the Saints. Draft day, Mark Ingram. And that is out of 100, number 92 out of 100. The Saints. Next hit going to the Buccaneers Phenoms, Luke Stocker. A rookie auto for the Buccaneers out of 199. Third hit going to the Redskins. Nice Chris Cooley. Nice jumbo patch auto for the Redskins. That's out of 10, number 3 out of 10 for the Skins. Nice short print patch auto. And let me grab another pack of short sleeves. Nice hit for the Skins. Isn't over yet, my friend. Have faith. Have faith. The card gods will welcome you back with abundance of hits. Oh, plenty. All right, 2012 Prominence coming at you. Got Andre Johnson, Dez, Matt Schaub, Marcus Allen, Boomer. Next hit looking pretty nice for the Dolphins, Ryan Tannehill. Nice manufactured patch auto. It's a good looking card. For the Fins. And that's out of 90. Number 8 out of 90 for the Fins. Nice hit. Second one. Going to the Lions, Riley Reef. Auto for the Lions, and that's out of $4.99. Then we got Mohamed Sanu for the Bengals. Jumbo jersey, and that is out of $2.99 for the Bengals. All right. And next box, we'll do the 2012. Which one are you talking about, Martha? That was Prominence. Will be yeah, that was Prominence. 2012 Prominence. Let's see what we can snag. In 2012, Panini Black. Good luck. Had a nice Nick Foles last time. Let's see what we can get this time. All right, first two. Losing my voice. Michael Smith for the Buccaneers, and that is out of $3.49. Michael Kendris, rookie for the Eagles, $3.49. Josh Cribbs, $3.49. We've got a hit here. For the Giants, Eli Manning, Hakeem Nicks, double relic. And that's at a 49 for the Giants. Beanie Wells at 25 for the Cardinals. Then we got a man-to-man, Calvin Johnson, Charles Woodson. Double there. That's out of $3.49. Random that off at the end. Weaponry, Reggie Bush for the Dolphins, and that is out of $3.49. All right, next one is going to be a redemption. Rookie signature helmets prime gold, Chris Givens. And I believe Chris Givens is for the Rams, but let me double check. Yep, that's for the Rams. That goes to the Rams. Next hit, David Maggette for the Texans. That is out of 99. Next hit going to the Giants, Ruben Randall. Jersey auto for the Giants, and that is out of 25. 19 out of 25 for the Giants. Next hit for the Seahawks. Nice Onyx rookie jersey, Russell Wilson. Nice looking card. That's a $2.99 for the Seahawks. And last hit for the Steelers, Troy Polamalu. Double relic for the Steel Curtain. And that is out of 99 for the Steelers. All right, we got black and gold. Don't go too far, Chucky. We're going to go ahead and get our gold member for the black and gold. Come on, gold member, give us some good luck on this black and gold.
I love gold. The look of it, the taste of it, the smell of it, the texture. I love gold so much that I even lost my genitalia in an unfortunate smelting accident. Hence the name Gold Member.
All right, black and gold, good luck. Box number 1. Oh, damn. Couple nice thick packs here. Pack 1. Pack 2. Let's see what we can pull. All right, first one we got Trey Mason, 149, seal of approval. Next hit is damn nice. 8 out of 10, Aaron Rodgers. Gold piece, team symbol. Little gold piece there. Very nice. For the pack. Who had the pack tonight? Dan O'Neal, damn. Forbin has just been on fire. Nice hit, Forbin. Next hit, Russ picking up a hit out of 49. Taj Boyd. 2-color prime patch auto. Number 44 out of 49. And Forbin's just been collecting gold pieces lately. He's got the Cam Newton. Now he's got a Aaron Rodgers to match. Next hit going to the Chiefs, DeAnthony Thomas, out of 99. Not a bad first pack. Nice gold piece. Not a bad patch auto. Let's see what we can do in pack 2. Man, Packers still firing here out of 25, Aaron Rodgers. Team symbols. Packers coming out firing out of this product. Julius Thomas out of 99. Gold strike auto for the Broncos. Next one going to the Patriots, Nick Garoppolo, Mother triple relic. For the Pats. Next one going to the Bears. Out of 99, Walter Payton Shadow Box. For the Bears. I have to get me one of these. And the last one is going to be Doug Martin on a 199 for the Buccaneers. All right, still got one box to go. Another box of black and gold.
Would you like a schmoke and a pancake?
A what?
A schmoke and a pancake. You know, flapjack and a cigarette? All right. Cigar and a waffle? No. Pipe and a crepe? No. Bong and a blintz?
The Peyton was not. It was number 64. It was almost 64. Minus 30 eBay 101. Man, the Packers are just killing it out of these dual team symbols. Aaron Rodgers, Devontae Adams out of 99. Just killing these cards. For the Brownies, Terrence West out of 199. Next one for the Colts. Motherlode Dante Moncrief. Triple relic. Next one out of 99. Dual team symbols. Brennan Cooks, Marquise Colson for the Saints. And then a shadow box of, haven't seen this guy too much lately, Aaron Rodgers for the Packers. Packers just killing it out of this one. Yeah, I like those too. I pulled a Dante Moncrief. I got a Matt Forte in my personal collection. I traded someone for. I pulled like three or four of them. I like how they do the plate on the back and the original design on the front. It's a nice concept. All right, last pack, guys. Good luck. Let's do it. First one out of 149, Kelvin Benjamin, seal of approval for the Panthers. Second out of 99, AJ Green, jumbo jersey for the Bengals. This one cases. Nice one for the Chiefs, Aaron Murray, out of 99. Rookie black gold autograph. For the Raiders, Derek Carr. Shadow box rookie out of 199. And last one for the Cardinals, John Brown. Shadow box out of 99. All right, guys, then we'll figure out who's got this next one. Calvin Johnson, Charles Woodson. I'm going to roll the dice and see how many times we'll be doing this one. We'll do this one 6 times. I'm going to switch to my screen. From left to right, we got Lions, Lions, Lions. Packers, Packers, Packers. You're rolling it 6 times. Team at the top will retain that card. Good luck. Once, twice, thrice, 4, 5, and 6. Lions. Take down that card. All right, guys. Let me do a recap. And then we'll get the next break going on. Next break will be 4 boxes at 2012 Panini Prominence. $11 a spot. Check that out. This one goes to the Lions. The rest of the break, got John Brown, Derek Carr out of 199, Aaron Murray out of 99, AJ Green, Aaron Rodgers, Dante Moncrief, Terrence West, Doug Martin, Walter Payton, Jimmy Garoppolo, Julius Thomas, DeAnthony Thomas, Taj Boyd out of 49, 2-color patch auto, Palamahu, Russell Wilson, rookie relic out of 299, Ruben Randall, jersey auto, that's out of 25, Baguette out of 99 for the Texans, helmet auto for the Rams. For the Giants, Eli Manning, Hakeem Nicks, double relic. Sanu out of 299. Riley Reef. Pretty nice. Ryan Tannehill here. And that was out of 90. Chris Cooley out of 10. Jersey auto. Luke Stalker, and that was out of 199, I believe. Yes. Mark Ingram. Draft day jersey out of 100. Denario Poe out of 199. Ryan Broyles, 4-color patch out of 49. For the Bills, TJ Graham out of 240. Jordan Shipley out of 10. Jumbo jersey auto. Johnny Knox. Roethlisberger, 3-color out of 25 for the Steelers. Shea Hodge. Zach Robinson. Beautiful Kelvin Benjamin. Nice patch there. For the Panthers out of 25. Will Smith. Nice Von Miller, 3-color patch auto for the Broncos, and that was out of 50. So Bruce Carter out of 25. Tyrod Taylor out of 50, rookie auto. Rashard Mendenhall, Isaiah Peed, Levante David, and just where we started, Doug Martin. And I won't pull all these cards here because I need to case them. But I'll show the one that was really, really nice. 8 out of 10, Aaron Rodgers, gold piece auto. That's a delicious hit. Delicious hit. All right, guys, thanks for joining. I got the next one up right now, and then we had the Paul Richardson booklet as well. I'll case that as well. Thanks for joining, and check out the next break.